One day, somebody saw an apple, and then they asked themselves this one question: what else can this be? What else can this be? And because they asked themselves that question, what else can this be? They started a process of thinking, what can I do with this? What can this become? What can I create with this? And so I wanted to challenge you all with that same thing. I want you to see yourselves and see everybody around you, not from where you are right now, but for what you can become. Yeah, you may start as red, green, yellow stem, but what's possible with your life? What can you go and be? What will you go and do? Right now, you're only at the start of it. Right now, you're only maybe at that apple phase and you're just what it is. But the reality is that if you actually make great decisions, if you actually have some imagination, if you think about what's possible for your life, then one day you're gonna wake up and you may say, hey man, I was that person that took an apple and turned it into the apple pie. And they would say, you know what, that was Ariana that made that invention. That was Ariana that went and did that. That was Keisla that went and did that. You can actually do some amazing things with your life when you start asking yourself the question, what's possible? What's possible for you?
Hello, my name is Laquita Coleman and I'm the proud principal of Myrtlewood Elementary School. I had the pleasure of having Mr. Daniel Truelove speak to my 3rd and 4th grade students. His presentation was very engaging. He was able to encourage our students to be self-reliant and also be self-accepting of themselves, so that no matter what the outside world had to say about them, as long as they believed that they were great on the inside, then they will be able to conquer anything.
There's a process to every single thing you do. And if you don't commit to every single thing within the process, it's impossible for you to get the reward. So if you say you want to be a basketball player, if you say you want to play soccer, then in essence what you're saying is I'm willing to do everything that it takes within that to be able to go and make that happen, right? And so do you believe that even if you have struggles in math, do you believe that, hey, I not only am I believing in my basketball ability, my ability to dribble a ball, my ability to shoot, but I believe that I can actually do what it takes in order for me in the classroom for me to get to that level. Do you believe that? Some people just believe in the skill. They just believe in shooting the basketball, but you gotta be able to believe in the whole process in order for you to get that. Does that make sense what I'm saying? Are you all committed to the whole process and are you working towards that? And that's the challenge that I have for every single one of you today. I want you all to commit to the work that it takes in order for you to excel. Say this, how you do anything? Come on, I need a little bit more energy. How you do anything?
How you do anything?
It's how you do everything.
How you do everything?
One more time, how you do anything?
How you do anything?
It's how you do everything.
How you do everything?
I'm just grateful that you got a chance to come and talk to the kids. They were just gravitating to you. Mm-hmm. And the part that I like, you found the kids where they were. Mm-hmm. And you addressed the concerns that they had where they were. Right. From this point, our kids will have a stronger latter half of the school year. You've planted some things inside of them, the acceptance. Mm-hmm. And I think they're going to be, amongst other things, I think you've planted some things that I know for sure that they can take here, middle school, high school, where the sky is the limit for them.
I need some more energy. I need some more energy. Say, I was born to be great. I like that. Say, I was born to be great. Say, I can do anything. Say, I can do anything. Say, I can do anything. I believe in myself. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm amazing. Say, my dreams will come true. Say, I accept myself. Say, I accept myself. Say, I love myself. Say it again. Say, I love myself.